This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noragon.com to learn more.
I'm sure I don't have to tell you how important brakes are, right? I better not. It's important that your technicians are trained on how to spot brake wear, and that your shops have systems and schedules in place aimed at avoiding wear issues on brakes. Regular visual inspections are crucial to the safety of your trucks and their drivers. We at Fleet Equipment talked to the experts in the industry from Bendix and SAF Holland, and from these conversations came up with 14 important tips for brake maintenance to share with you today. Number 1. Inspect for secure mounting, wear, leaks, corrosion, and damage. Number 2. Check for loose, broken, or cracked air hoses, air system leaks, and damaged components. Number 3. Check that brake hoses and cables are properly secured. Number 4. For proper brake pad wear, check that there is enough clearance to allow the caliper full movement during normal operation. Number 5. Check the spring brake chambers to make sure the parking springs are not caged in the release position. Be sure the dust plugs are properly installed. Number 6. Make sure the vent holes in the air brake chamber are not covered with snow, ice, mud, etc. Number 7. Inspect the wheel bearing unit for grease leaks at every brake pad change. Number 8. Visually check the brake assembly, like the pads, the rotor, etc., for oil or grease contamination. Number 9. Check that all dust caps and boots are present and in good condition. Number 10. Regularly conduct general safety checks in accordance with any applicable laws. Number 11. After every wheel change, the wheel nuts must be retightened to the specified torque level after the initial 100 miles of operation, and then at every regular service interval. Number 12. Look at the slack adjusters to make sure they are at equal angles during the parking brake apply, in the at-rest position, and brake pedal apply. Number 13. Lubricate the clevis pins and make sure the pins are not loose or frozen. And number 14. Measure applied stroke at 90 to 100 psi and make sure they are equal at all wheel ends. Follow the out-of-service guidelines for chamber size. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.